Hi everyone, this is RB. I'm back with your daily dose of English expressions. In this video, we're going to learn 3 expressions using angry, angry at, angry with, and angry about. Just remember, whenever we refer to someone, we use angry at or angry with. Whenever we refer to something, we use either angry at or angry about. For example, she is angry at her sister. He is angry with his brother. Okay? Now, with angry at and angry about, we can have sentences such as he is angry at his failure. He is angry about her success. Okay, so once again, whenever we refer to a person, we use either angry at or angry with. Whenever we refer to something, we use either angry at or angry about. I hope you got to learn something new. If you like the video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet. Until next time, this is RB signing